In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can try Nanobanana AI completely for free using Google AI Studio. First, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the very first result. Once the page loads, make sure to sign in with your Google account. This is required to generate and save images. After signing in, scroll down until you see the option to try Nanobanana. Click on it, and the Nanobanana model will open inside the studio. Now let's generate our first image. In the prompt box, I'll type something like a golden retriever puppy playing in the park with a ball. Then click Run, and within a few seconds, the AI will generate a result. As you can see, the image looks realistic and very detailed. You can download it right away or use it as a base for further edits. Nanobanana also allows you to upload your own images. To try that, click Upload and choose a photo from your device or Google Drive. For example, I'll upload a photo of a dog, and then in the prompt I'll type, "Make this dog look like it's wearing sunglasses." Click Run, and after a moment you'll get the updated version of your photo with the edit applied. It's that simple, fast, free, and all done in your browser. And that's how you can use Nanobanana AI for free with Google AI Studio. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are curious about AI tools.